Hello beauty unicorns and welcome back to my channel and this tutorial. Doing this eye, obviously. Why am I always saying that? I'm doing this plummy smoky eye with the Melt She's in Party stack. If I could only speak. I'm using all four colors and I'm doing a really smoky purple burgundy look. I'm also using this one as a face highlighter because I think that this gives like the perfect like peachy sheen. It's very beautiful and I'm having a melt lippy on as well and no lashes. I want to try and do some tutorials without lashes. I mean, there's not going to be like an abundance of them, but there might be some at least. Let me know how you feel about that, because I do know that a lot of people prefer seeing tutorials without lashes, but I don't really have any lashes. That's why I prefer putting on some falsies, but that's just how I feel about it. But yeah, I think that was everything. Let's get into this tutorial. Oh, and yeah, if you want to see the review of this stack, I will leave that up here because I did do a review of these melt goodies. Okay, time to get these shadows on my eyes. This is the shimmery one. This is the darker shimmery one, the lighter matte one, and the darker matte one. And I want to do a plum smoky eye, so I'm gonna start with these two in my crease, just mainly going ham because I want it to be smoky. Starting out with the lighter one and just positioning my mirror a bit. Is this okay? I think so. It's okay. As you can see, the light one does build up to quite a lot of color on its own. Just gonna do the other eye as well, and then we can darken it up even more with the more dark plummy one. So now I got that one under control. I'm gonna go in with Mean Streak, which is the darker plummy one. And I'm using a fluffy brush here as well. With the other shadow, I was switching between two fluffy brushes, one that was more soft and one that was more stiff, because it's easier to put on color and blend it nicely with the soft one, but then it's nice to have the stiff one to pack on color and to really blend out if you end up getting some harsh lines. So this one is a smaller brush. This is the 228 Luxe Crease by Zoeva, and it has a bit more of a pointy tip, which is nice if you're working with a darker color. So I'm basically starting out here in the outer corner and I'm just gonna work my way into the crease, following the same pattern as I did with the other color, but just not going as high up so I can get somewhat of a gradient. I'm gonna pack it on even extra out here in the outer V, because that's always nice when you do a smoky eye, at least on my eye shape, because I have a downwards eye shape. So if I don't lift the shadow up a bit at the end, my eye is just gonna look a bit sad and droopy. So I need to lift it up a bit to not look like I'm sad. I don't want to be sad. Okay, I'm done with the mattes for a while. I'm gonna use the She's in Parties, which is the one that named the stack, and I'm gonna put this all over my lid and just blending it into the crease to have this burgundy plum smoky moment. I think I'm gonna spray my brush a bit as well, because I want this to be really foiled and yummy, and it always gets a bit better if you spray it. I basically spray all my shimmery eyeshadows. If you're ever wondering, I am. Taking away a bit of fallout that I got, and then I'm going back with this brush and the dark matte, and I'm just gonna take a little bit more and make sure that these are blended together. Just going over them a little bit. That's looking dramatic and nice. I am gonna take those two matte colors and smoke out my lower lash line. Need a pencil brush, which I do not seem to have. Oh, here it is. So I'm gonna do that. And then I think it's time for inner corners. Oh, this one is so pretty. I'll also use a bit of this black eye pen on my waterline because I want this to be really smoky. I'll do the eyeliner first and then we can do the inner corners. I think that's gonna be the easiest. I think that's enough. Time for a little mascara. We're gonna let that dry a bit in between, and we're gonna use this as a highlighter while we're waiting. I'm actually gonna use this as a highlighter on my cheekbones because I don't have a highlighter on, and I've been using this as a highlighter, and it's actually really pretty as that. It's a beautiful peachy thing. Do you see that? It's like that beautiful lit from within thing that I am dying over, and I think that this is a beautiful highlight. To get that to set a bit and to be able to go in with layer number 2, I'm using Fix Plus. I think this is one that has a smell on it. Yeah, this is the coconut one. So I'm gonna go in now with another layer of the same light peach one. It's called Skeleton Kiss. Just a bit like up here on the cheekbone. Just some more and blending it out. Isn't that beautiful? I'm loving that. So I'm gonna go in with mascara layer number 2. Just to get it a bit more clumpy. I think that when you have like a rock and roll look like this, it doesn't matter if your lashes are a bit rock and roll as well. It can be a bit clumpy, just make sure that they are a bit voluminous. You know how hard it is for me to not put on lashes right now, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna have a rocky look without false lashes. I'm gonna see if I can find here the brush that I use for my inner corner highlights. I'm gonna take that Skeleton Kiss and I'm gonna spray that, and I'm gonna just pack that in my inner corners to get that peachy inner corner, just to have a bit of like little life. So I'm guessing that that is the finished eye look. Let me put this stack back together, assembled, and I'm gonna put on a lippy. I want to use this 710. It's like this mustardy brown. It is a bit dry, but they last forever, so that is cool. So that is the finished look. That is everything on my face. I'm really happy that I did a look without lashes, and I did one that is this dramatic. Let me know how you feel about this look. Let me know how you feel about me doing a look without lashes, and if you want to see more. I do really like lashes though, so I won't do that many. But maybe I'll do like a couple more at least. Don't forget the subscribe buttons down below. I'd love to have you. I do upload quite a lot of videos, and I would love to see you in my next one. Bye!